In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF in Foxit PDF Editor. Whether you need to separate a large document into smaller sections or just extract a few pages for a specific purpose, splitting PDFs can manage files more efficiently and ensure you have exactly what you need ready to use. So let's dive into it. First, open the Foxit PDF Editor and load the PDF document you wish to split. You'll want to make sure that this is the document you're ready to work with, as we'll be making changes to it. Once your PDF is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially if this is your first time using Foxit PDF Editor. Next, navigate to the Organize tab at the top of the window. This is where Foxit gives you access to various organizational tools that help you manage your PDFs. Once you're there, find and click on the Split button, and then select Split Document from the drop-down menu. This will open the Split Document dialog box, where all the magic happens. In the Split Document dialog box, you have several options for how you'd like to split your PDF. If you want to divide the document based on the number of pages per file, you can specify a maximum number of pages for each resulting file. This option is useful if you want every segment to be of a manageable size without focusing on specific content. Alternatively, you can choose to split based on file size, specifying a maximum file size for each separated document. This can be particularly helpful when you need to share files via email or an online platform that has size limitations. Another option is to enter specific page ranges. For example, if you only need the first 5 pages or a specific section from pages 6 to 10, you can easily specify these ranges. This feature allows precise extraction of sections you deem essential, giving you full control over the content you extract. If your PDF document is organized with bookmarks, such as chapters or sections, you can select the top-level bookmarks option. This will split the document at each bookmark, creating files based on the organizational structure within the PDF. Lastly, you can choose to split at blank pages, if that suits your needs. This is particularly useful for documents that have been formatted with blank pages as separators. After selecting the option that best suits your needs, click OK to perform the split. Foxit will begin processing your request and generate one or more new PDF files based on the criteria you've set. And that's it! You've successfully split your PDF using Foxit PDF Editor. This feature is a powerful tool in managing large documents and customizing content for specific uses. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now ready to handle your PDF tasks with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.